Good morning, welcome to Archie's Math. Today we will be talking about money and calculating money. It's a very important lesson because money is everywhere. Perhaps you've seen adults use money in stores, or maybe you're saving money for something that you want to buy, but money is a big part of everybody's life. So before we begin, I want to make sure that you have everything you need to work with me here and enjoy the lesson. If you look at your sheet, we should have right now 2 $1 bills, 2 quarters, 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies. So if you want to take a second to make sure you have everything, that would be great. And when we talk about money and we talk about a quarter, this is exactly what quarter looks like. So can you find a quarter in your money and make sure that you have one? Look at the quarter. Then this is a dime. It is a little smaller than a quarter. Then we have a nickel, and this is a penny. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents, a nickel is worth 5 cents, and a penny is worth. So you may be wondering how it all works when it comes to just a $1 bill. Let's look at that.
All right.
Okay, so this is a penny. They are 100 pennies in a dollar. A nickel, which is 5 cents, and they are 20 nickels in $1. This is a dime, which is 10 cents, and they are 10 dimes in a dollar. This is a quarter, 25 cents, and 4 quarters make a dollar, and this is $1 bill. So now that we went over the money and how much every coin is worth, let's have a little fun and talk about what you could buy with the money that you have there. So for example, if you wanted to buy a sandwich that costs $1.99, how could we round that up? So if you wanted to buy a sandwich that is $1.99, what money would you need to have? Can you look at the money that is in front of you and decide how to round up $1.99? I will just give you a few seconds to think about that. Again, it doesn't have to be the exact change, we just want to round up. Okay, if you said that we could use $2 bills to buy a sandwich that is $1.99, you are right, good job. Because if we use $2 bills, we would still have 1 cent left. But now, if we want to make it a little more complicated, let's think what we would need to have, what money we would need to have if we wanted to buy a hamburger that is $1.46 using exact change. So in this situation, you are not rounding up, you're trying to come up with exact change using the coins that you have in front of you. So I will give you just a few seconds to think about it. And again, we are using exact change to buy a hamburger that is $1.46. Okay, well, let's look at the coins that we would need to have to come up with exact change to buy a hamburger that is $1.46. So if you said that we could use a $1 bill, that's a great start. You are correct. Then we would use a 1 quarter coin because that makes $1.25. Then if we use another dime, that will be $1.35, and yet another dime, that is $1.45, and then we have a penny, which together makes $1.46. So this way, using those coins, you would be able to buy a hamburger with exact change, and the hamburger is $1.46. I hope you enjoyed this short lesson today, and we hope that you will join us for more lessons from Archie's Math.